Hi everyone, my name is Tyuti De and my Unity ID is DDE. Today I'll be demonstrating how we can set up a basic pipeline with the help of Git hooks and few shell commands. Before we get started to the workshop, let's see if we have done the things correctly. For that I have already cloned the pipelines repository and now I'll run the opunit check. So there are 15 passes and 0 fails, and that means we have done it properly. And let's see how we have done it using a simple practice post commit hook. For that I have created the hook demo folder, inside which we can find the post commit. We see that the post commit file is already made executable and this is what it contains. So the post commit hooks work when a commit is triggered for a repository. So this post commit will only open google.com whenever a commit message is issued. So let's see how this is working. First, we see that there is nothing we can commit to, so we will create a simple demo file and we will add this locally. And doing this, we see google.com opening up, and thus our post commit is working rightly. Next, we see how we can develop a simple pipeline using that. For that, we have the app repository, which is a simple application which opens up and listens at this local host in our web browser. So this is how the app will npm start will look. So it will just say hi from and then a random number. So we can add a test stage by using a pre-commit hook. For that, we have already created the pre-commit hook inside the designated place. For a submodule, the location is a little bit different and we need to go under the modules to find the hook, and we see that the pre-commit hook is already been created, and let's see what it contains. It contains a simple test check, and it will get triggered before a commit and perform the tests and allow the commits only when the tests get passed. So let's do some changes in our app repository and see if we can trigger the pre-commit. Main.js, what happened? Oh, so we are not at the right app module. We need to go to this app module and let's go here and change this message from hi to bye, and let's see if this gets checked. So we see that some changes has been made in the main.js, so we will add the changes and commit it locally. And when we try to commit it locally, the test gets called and it gets failed because we have got bye rather than hi. So we will simply go ahead and change it to hi, so that we don't find further problems. And now when we try to commit it, things get working without any fails. So that is how a pre-commit works. Now next we will see how we can deploy something into a production server. For that, we have set up the deploy folder, inside which we have production.git and production.www. Right now our production www consists of these files, as we have already deployed it. But let's go ahead and remove things from the production and try adding it again. So if we go to the app directory, and if we so we have created this post receive event in our hooks, and this will handle the deploying automatically. It will check out from the git and add to the git www repository, so the commit will occur in the in this repository. So on pushing, we get this message echoed or print, and after going inside this production server, the installation will occur and the app will start running in the production server. So let's see how we can replicate this. If we try to if you try to add the remote production server, we see that the prod or remote production already exists, so we don't need to do it. And to push, let's make some changes in our repository. So let's go again to the main.js and write that I am coming in from production. It will have some changes now, so we will commit this changes locally. Changes, and then we need these changes to work in our production server. So for that, we will do git push, and after it has been pushed, it will again start listening to the local host where we can find the changes reflected. Also, if we see our production www has been copied with the contents of the app. Thank you.